Hello, and welcome to Level Up Lessons. Creating spreadsheets in Excel does not have to be boring. Adding a pop of color is possible to your cells as well as your tabs. Today we'll do a demonstration on how you can add color to add to the overall appearance of your spreadsheet. We will discuss your standard options as well as the customization tool. So let's go ahead and take a look at these features. To make changes to your background color, you only need to look no further than the Fill Command button. Let's take a look at our options by left-clicking on the image. You can choose from this list, or you can click the More Command buttons to see what else is available. The Standard tab gives you additional options to choose from. The Custom tab gives you the ability to play around with your colors by selecting the color from the frame and moving the arrow up and down until you get the color that you desire. Let's go ahead and make some changes to our background colors now, and I will show you how this works. I would like to change the background colors for my headings as well as my categories. Before we begin, let's go ahead and place our cursor inside of cell B1. As you can see, my cell address confirms my location. Let's begin by going to the Home tab, select the font groups. Next, we want to select the drop down from the Fill Color bucket. So as you can see, there's a standard list of colors available to you immediately. But I don't think I want to choose any of these colors. I'm going to go into the More Colors command and see what's available. Now I can choose from the standard list of colors. I can click through. And then if I was to choose one of these colors, I would just simply say OK. But I think I want to customize my color. So let's go ahead and click the Custom tab. Now what I am looking for is like a burgundy-ish color. So I'm going to start within the red zone. And then from there, I'm going to take my arrow and I'm just going to scroll it down until my colors darkens. And then I think I'm just going to go with the color that I have here. And I'm going to go ahead and just say OK. OK, so now that I have updated my color inside of cell B1, I need to do the same for cells C1 through J1. Let's left click inside of cell C1 and continue to hold the left click down. With the left click still held down, let's drag our mouse over to cell J1. Okay, so now that your cells are highlighted, I would like to head back up to our color bucket. Let's get the drop down. And if you look under recent colors, the color that you're looking for will be the first one on the list because it's the last color that you use. So let's go ahead and select that, and you should be able to see all the background colors of the cells change that you have selected. Okay, this is looking good. Now I think I want to do the same for our category list. Let's start by selecting the inventory ID, which is in cell B3. Again, we're going to left click and hold, and then we're going to drag it all the way over to J3, which is the column that reads column 1. Now with your category headings highlighted, let's head up to the fill color icon. Let's go ahead and select the drop down from the fill color icon. And again, we want to go down to recent colors and select the first item on the list. This should change the background color of all the items that you have highlighted. Now let's change the background color of the tab. Let's go ahead and select Sheet 2. Let's right click, select Tab Color. Let's choose a color. I'm going to choose blue, and then I'm going to simply say OK. And that's pretty much it on how you will update your tab color. Well, that wraps up another video, and you are doing an awesome job. Please let me know if you have questions or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share. And I will see you in the next video.